Forensic. Forensic related to scientific methods of solving crimes, involving examining the objects or substances that are involved in the crime. For example, forensic medicine, forensic evidence, and forensic science. For example, forensic examination revealed a large quantity of poison in the dead man's stomach. Morgue or mortuary is a building or a room in a hospital where dead bodies are kept before burial or cremation. Autopsy or postmortem is a scientific examination of a dead body carried out in order to determine the cause of death. By the way, the meaning of postpartum. Postpartum occurs immediately after childbirth. Postpartum hemorrhage is heavy bleeding after giving birth. Anatomy. Anatomy is a study of the body and its parts by cutting up dead animals or human bodies. Here in the pic, the anatomist performed an autopsy or did a postmortem on a dead body. The autopsy report gave the cause of death as poisoning.